Okay, so welcome guys, and are you doing Google Arcade 2024 and you have doubts regarding the arcade program, like how my points will be calculated in this arcade if I have some arcade badges of the previous year also, like arcade 2023. You have badges of arcade 2023 and you are collecting badges in arcade 2024, then how your points will be calculated, and most important thing, then when the new price counter is going to open of arcade 2024. So I've got update about all this in the Google Arcade Learning Forum platform. So this is a staff member of Google Arcade, Yugali. So these updates are from her side. So there are like some updates given, like okay, if you have completed like skill badge in recent year, like this is for these are two skill badges from perform fundamental infrastructure tasks in Google Cloud, and this is new perform foundational infrastructure task in Google Cloud. So these are two badges, but these are earned on different dates, like this is on 6 Feb and this is earned on 5 Jan 2024. So what about this? So if you earn a skill badge on or after 1 January 2024 and subsequently earn this upgraded version or its localized version, only the first instance of earning the skill badge will count toward the price counter. So if you have earned two similar badges after 1 January 2024, like badge, the name of the badge is A, and you have earned the badge A on the 5th January, and there is an updated version of the same badge A updated. You earn this A updated badge on the, let's say, 5 February. So the only the first version, यानी कि version A should be counted towards the price counter. Okay. Now there is next update. Yes, different version, different years. Like you have seen some badges are from the last year's replica. Like in last year we have done some badge, and that same badge is replicated again in this year's of arcade program. Then what about these badges? So basically, like this badge is these are two same badges, and the date of earning this badge is 6th of February, and this badge is earned on 4th of December 2023, and this is of 2024. So what about these badges in this level of conflict? If you have earned a skill badge before 1 January 2024 and this upgraded version after that date, please note that neither of these versions will contribute to your points tally from June 2024 price counter. So here we got an update when our price counter is going to open. So the date is the month is June 2024. So guys, accumulate your arcade points because the price counter is going to open in June. In my knowledge, our price counter open 3 times in a year, in June, and after 3 months after that, and then after 3 months after that. So sorry, each 4th month the price counter opens. So the one first it will be open in June, then again it's open in like August and September, between these months, and after that this will open in December. Okay. Now there are third conflict between these badges, like this conflict. So here this is generative AI fundamentals and generative AI fundamental locales. So this is basically a upgraded badge of the same last year's upgraded badge with the locales updated name. So what in this conflict? So in this case, if you have earned a skill badge on or after 1 January 2024 and its localized versions after that, or vice versa, only the initial appearance of skill badge on the profile will contribute to your arcade points tally for the June 2024 price counter. So basically, if you have two same badges, one is simple and one is local badge, then only the last earned badge, like you have earned local badge after the simple badge, okay, then the local badge will count to your price counter. Okay. So these were the some small updates, and basic the point system is similar, like every level badge will give you 1 arcade point, and there is a new carnival badge. Let me show you that in arcade. So in the February arcade program, there is a carnival lab which carries 2 arcade points. So this is arcade carnival which carries 2 points. Otherwise every other lab like trivia and level 1, level 2, level 3, all badges comes with only 1 points. Okay. And regarding price counter, so price counter is again opening on June 2024. So stay tuned, keep doing the labs, and accumulate points, and when the price counter opens, see you there, and I will make a video then how to redeem your prize and how will you get the mail, what are the process of all on this. So this was just a quick update. So I think that I should make you all aware about this, and thanks for watching the video.